Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a great song from Benson Boone, In the Stars. So this one is beautiful and deep, and we love that. We have many chords, like 8 chords to go over, but it's really worth it. When you have the chords, it's very easy to handle them. Just downs, and that's it. So yeah, let's start capo on the 3rd fret to match up the sound with the best chords possible. So let's go. First we have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have B minor. You need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we can move on with the B7. You keep the bar here in the same place with the strings there from the A string and down, and the rest will be 4th on D string and 4th on B. So that was the B7, right? Let's go on with the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have next the D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass, so like this. Alright, so that is 2nd on E. Then I usually mute the next string, the A there. I just lean my finger, which I am using for the E string, on top of the A string. So you get that sound, and it's muted. Then next, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And we have next C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be C minor. Alright, so it's a bar on the 3rd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 5th on D string, 5th on G, and 4th on B. Yeah, it's actually 9 chords. I think I said 8, but we have 9. So, great. I think I hooked you anyway. So, 9 chords, and let's go with the song. Like I said, it's just about downs in this song. So, pretty easy, no throwing patterns or so. So, it will start with 1 down per chord, the 1st chord progression, and it's pretty long, so we're gonna go through and speak me while we'll play. So G, B minor, E minor. Repeat that. So again, G, B minor, and E minor. We play the same for 3 times. So again, G, B minor, E minor, and then comes A minor, G, and the DF. So that is 1 chord progression here in the verse, in the 1st verse. So the 1st chord progression round will be just like I played, 1 down per chord. The 2nd one, still in the verse, will be with the same chords, of course, but I'm gonna give you the number of times you're gonna play down. So G2, B minor 2, E minor 4. Again, G2, B minor 2, and E minor 4. Again, G2, B minor 2, E minor 4. Then A minor 2, G2, and DF4. and that is the second round in this verse, and that is the first verse, 2 chord progression rounds. That takes us to the chorus. Okay, so still just downs, and I believe I'm gonna do it the same way now, since it's nothing complicated like that. So I think I can play a bit slower and speak meanwhile and tell you the number of times you're gonna play downs for the chorus. So we will start with C4, then G4, D4, and E minor 4. We're gonna repeat that again. So C4, G4, D4, and E minor 4. Then in the lyrics, oh it hurts so hard, you're gonna play C2, then G2, then D1, B7-1, and E minor 2. And the final line there will be C1, just 1 down, and C minor, 1 down, and you end with G, 1 down. So that is the chorus. So just to repeat everything, we had C4, G4, D4, E minor 4. You play that part for 2 rounds, and then comes in lyrics, oh it hurts so hard. You're gonna play C2, G2, D1, B7-1, E minor 2. And then the final parts will be just C, 1 down, short break, and then C minor, 1 down, short break, and then you end with 1 down on G. All right, so that's it. That takes us to the second verse. For the second verse, we have, of course, the same chords here, but we'll only play it for 1 chord progression round. The first verse was about 2 rounds. This one is just 1 round. I'm gonna play through for you, and I'm gonna tell you how many times you're gonna play for each and every chord. You can say it's kind of double amount of times for the last round of the first verse, if that makes sense. So we're gonna start with G there, of course, and play 4 downs. So G4, B minor 4, E minor 8. Again, G4, B minor 4, E minor 8. Again, third time, G4, B minor 4, E minor 8. Then A minor 4, G4, and then G, F8. All right, so that is the second verse. Only 1 chord progression round. That takes us to the second chorus. Okay, so it will be the same chords like we just went through when we looked at the first chorus, but more downs, double amount of times. So we're gonna play and speak meanwhile we're playing. So let's go. C8, G8, sorry, C8, G8, D8, E minor 8. Again, C8, G8, D8, E minor 8. Then C4, G4, D2, B7-2, and E minor 4. And then comes the same C1, pause there, and then C minor with a short pause, and then 8 times on G. So the same chords there, and it's a 8 now per chord, pretty much double amount of times since the last first chorus. With the G8 in the end there, that builds up the tension for the next part, which is a bridge part. So I'm still holding, that's where we are in the lyrics. So that's a bridge. We're gonna play the chord progression now: G, B minor, and E minor. And I'm gonna do it in the same way here. I believe it's so easy to play, so I'm gonna speak and play meanwhile. So let's go: G4, B minor 4, E minor 8. We will repeat this part for 3 times. So G4, B minor 4, and E minor 8. Third time: G4, B minor 4, E minor 8. Then A minor 4, G4, and DF8. Yeah, so that's the bridge part, and that takes us to the final chorus. You're gonna play, of course, the same chords, but the first C, G, D, and E minor. Yeah, not actually the last E minor there, but the first 3 chords, C, G, and D, you're gonna play just 1 down. And then we're gonna continue with the more downs there. So again, final time, I'm gonna speak and play meanwhile. So let's go. C, G, D, 1 down per chord, and now starts the E minor with 8. Continues with C8, G8, D8, E minor 8. Then comes C4, G4, D2, B7-2, E minor 4. And the final part will be again the same: C1 down, C minor 1 down, and then it's just a vocal ending. So it ends on this beautiful C minor, and that is Benson Boone's In the Stars. So a great song, In the Stars. So yeah, give it a try, and good luck with this one. Hope to see you soon, guys. If you enjoy this, please thumb up, and even better, subscribe, and play tuned, of course.